Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through how to enable offline emails in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to access your emails even when you're not connected to the internet, which can be super helpful when you're on the go or in areas with unreliable internet. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can adjust various Gmail preferences. Now, at the top of the settings page, you'll notice different tabs. Find and click on the Offline HOTS tab. This is where you'll control your offline email settings. On the offline settings page, you'll see an option that says Enable Offline Mail. To turn on offline access, check the box next to this option. This will allow Gmail to sync your emails and make them available offline. Once you've selected this option, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button to apply your settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled offline emails in Gmail. Now, whenever you're without an internet connection, you can still read your emails, reply to them, and even compose new ones. Once you're back online, Gmail will automatically sync and send any emails you wrote while offline. Enabling offline mail is a great way to stay productive even when you don't have access to the internet, whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply in an area with spotty Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.